Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is an important day because of CPI. As we all know that CPI plays a very important role in the forex market. Events like CPI, NFP, FOMC, retail sales are very important events for the forex traders. And after the NFP, okay, market was mostly waiting for CPI, and today is the day. And before a major event like CPI, usually we don't see much volatility. So be careful with your breakout and breakdown trades. Because of less volume in the market, it may fail. Okay, and beginners, new traders, be careful at the time of news. Do not gamble. Okay, news trading is very lucrative because of high moves. But yes, maximum traders also lose their money. So respect your hard-earned money and capital. Do not gamble. Market will give you plenty of opportunities when there is no news in the market. So before CPI, we can also see that unemployment rate is also coming up on GBP. So GBP pairs will be volatile. So try to avoid at the time of news. So let's look at the chart of US dollar index. So DXY or US dollar index is still trading inside the range right now, trading at 104.20. If the inflation rate is high, then yes, there is a possibility that Fed may go for rate hikes, and in that case we may see market or DXY going above 104.60. If that happens, then we will see pressure on pairs like gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and others. But yes, market is mostly expecting rate cuts. So if inflation is down, okay, if inflation is down, then yes, there is a possibility that okay, Fed will be going for rate cuts, and in that case, DXY may show bearishness or selling. If that happens, we will see buy on Euro USD and GBP USD. It may sound simple, but when it comes to live trading, news trading is considered as the toughest form of trading. So do not okay gamble, I'll just okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So after the news, okay, forget about technicals, just try to follow the trend of the market, because when fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. So if you see the market is very volatile after news, try to follow the trend. And right now on the chart of euro dollar fiber, we have two trading opportunities, but those trading opportunities are only valid before news only. Means during the Asian session and European session. The first one is we have 1.0820. As we can clearly see, the trend of the market is not positive. Euro USD is still forming lower lows and lower highs. So yes, taking a sell at resistance is the best and safest form of trading here. So before news, if we see Euro USD going up, we can look for a sell position around this area because of previous support acting as resistance. We have FEB 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average. If we combine all the factors, once market will be going up, it will face some serious selling pressure around this area, and as day trader we can hit the sell button. But at the time of news, obviously nothing is going to work. Okay, but before news, you can expect that technicals will give you opportunities, and if market comes to our zone, we can look for a sell. Similarly, if you see market going to 1.0720 to 1.0740, we can look for a buy position as well. Okay, see, in this type of market structure where market is forming lower lows and lower highs, the support are not very reliable. Usually the supports do not work. But as we all know that before a major market mostly stays silent, there's not much volume, and for a breakdown, volume is extremely important, and in absence of volume, as a day trader, you can expect a minor bounce, and if you want to go for a buy, you can go for a buy above this. But after the news, if you see that DXY is surprisingly, shockingly going up, then you can look for a sell below 1.0720 as well. Why? Because you can see 1.0720, or this is the last support technically. Below this, we can look for a sell as well. So let's wait and watch. Nobody knows how the market is going to react. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then GBP USD is still struggling. Okay, still struggling around the a level of 1.2640. Remember, it was the previous support and right now acting as resistance, and GBP USD is not ready to surrender. So I don't want to talk much about GBP USD because before CPI also we have a news coming up. So already the window is very small here. But we may look for some selling opportunity around 1.2685 to 1.26, sorry, 2675. Around this area we can look for some selling opportunity when the market is not under the influence of news. In absence of news, we can look for some selling opportunity around this area because we have dynamic resistance, and we have also seen previously that we have FEB 61.8% retracement level around this area. 61.8 is a golden ratio, and if you use FIBO, then you must be knowing that when it comes to GBP USD, FIBO 61.8 plays an important role. Okay, just my observation. Okay. So during the new no in absence of news, okay, if market goes up, we can look for a sell around this area, but market is hitting the resistance for a long time, and if we see market hitting a level repeatedly, usually the level loses its strength also. So I think there is a possibility that it may go up. Okay. Let's see, let's wait and watch. And if market comes around to 1.2570, we can look for a buy, but I don't think so before news we are going to see this opportunity here. So let's wait and watch. I think we should give some time to GBP USD, let the market settle, then only the trading opportunities on GBP USD will be reliable for us. After all, see, this is market. Okay, it is not possible for any human trader or retail trader to understand the market at each and every level. So as a retail trader, we can only trade on the levels that we understand. And my reference, because of a lot of requests, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. Okay, you can go to the website to check out the details. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see that these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. But I would like to mention one thing, that this workshop is not for beginners. The workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for a couple of months and years. Okay, and after the 3 days workshop, okay, you will be receiving regular updates, analysis, trade setups on WhatsApp group. Along with that, we will also be having regular weekly sessions. So these are the weekly session topics. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes 9, 10, 11 March, English classes 1st, 2nd and 3rd of March, and everything will be recorded because traders from all around the world, okay, participate, but due to time difference they cannot join, so everything is recorded. So you can see the price is the best thing. Okay, it's only $15 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And trading takes time. Okay, if you want to have one-on-one sessions with me, and if you are looking for longer support, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime, which are also very, very affordable. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here along with your WhatsApp number. You can join now also, no need to worry. Okay. After the workshop, you'll be receiving 1 month support, and till then, if you join now, till the workshop, you'll be getting free service. Okay. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much.